So now we're about halfway around the backside trail, and we've passed numerous single trees down, but this seems to be the area that took the bulk of the damage. We're going to take a few shots around here, climb over these trees, just past Buddy there. You can see the next batch of trees that are down. Obviously it becomes a little more challenging as we get along. I suppose possibly the wind came up this ramp or this slope off of the lake and certainly helped things along. In the background there, you can see where some other trees have been pushed over. And we'll see some more of that damage as we get around this damage.